Hey, it's Levi, getting ready to go outside, do some exploration. It's windy as butts out there, so let's see what we find. All right. We got snow blowing in. Got stuck in the door. All right, first up, we have the drift that has formed. There's my grill. There's Chuck's house. This drift is beastly. Here's my carport. Also beastly. I think I can walk on it. I think this is how we're gonna get to the front of the house. Just up in the rafters. Oh no, my car. Oh no. All right, here's my garage door. The drift that I'm on currently is above my garage door. Oh jeez, that is out into the street. Oh man. That's my neighbor Amy's garage. We ain't getting out of here for a while. This is crazy. Oh jeez, the drift is above my car. It is wild out here. Oh, that's pretty nuts. The drift forms a natural ledge right along. Holy moly, this is awesome. Anyways, we got record snowfall the other day. And then we got some blizzard force winds. Woo! Nothing like walking into a blizzard. Just gonna do a quick check on Amy's. Make sure her doors didn't blow in this time. Last year's winds were a lot worse than this. Woo! She's doing all right. All right, I think my fun time is over. My big concern being out here is getting hit by debris. Woo! And back inside.